हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो? मेरे इस YouTube चैनल में आपका स्वागत है।
Another question. I am saying that the Cotter joint is designed for which load? Reversible load. Okay, I will write it here. So we are designing it for what? We are designing it for reversible load. Reversible load मतलब reversible load. Reversible load मतलब sometimes it is tensile and sometimes it is compressive. Sometimes it is compressive. Now we'll come to magnitude. Suppose a a Cotter joint is subjected to 25 kilonewton compressive force and 30 kilonewton tensile force or load. Design the joint if SYT is equal to 300 Newton per mm square. Consider suitable factor of safety. So now all of you know how to select factor of safety. Now there is something new asked in the question. What is that new? That new says that there are two load. One is tensile and one is compressive. So for which load will you design? For which load will you design? Now where will we take P equal to 25 kilonewton and where will we take P equal to 30 kilonewton? Okay, is it clear now? There are two value of P. When will we consider 25 and will we consider 30? Okay, so we'll analyze this one by one. See now, failure of rod in tension. टेंशन है तो इसमें कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, कौन सा लोड यूज करेंगे? सिग्मा टी. क्लियर? I hope you are writing this. So you can write down the numbers first and then there you can write P tension, P compression, P tension, P compression, or you can write these two values which I have written here. 30 kilonewton is tensile and 25 kilonewton is compression. Okay. So what I am explaining now, I am explaining that when will you take 25 and when will you take 30. So first is failure of rod in tension. So here obviously 30. Diameter of spigot obviously 30. Fourth number, diameter of socket obviously 30. So 1, 2 and 4 obviously 30 kilonewton. Because it is by default tension. Tension ही है तो कितना लेंगे? 30 लेंगे. Now we'll talk about formula number 3. Induced crushing stress. Formula number 3, induced crushing stress. Crushing कब होगा इसमें? देखो अभी. Suppose this is the part of socket. So I am pulling it like this. ठीक है? तो which force I am applying now? I am pulling it like this and pulling it like this. Which force I am applying? Tensile or compressive?
Tensile.
Tensile. Okay. And it may happen that ऐसे भी force आ सकता है. Then it will be compressive. Then it will be compressive. Then see if it is tensile force, then it will fail from this side. This side. यहाँ पे. And if it is compressive, it will fail from this side. This side. So कौन सा ज्यादा फोर्स है? टेंसाइल ज्यादा है कि कॉम्प्रेसिव ज्यादा है? अभी हमको जो वैल्यू दिया है उसमें टेंसाइल ज्यादा है. तो हम किसके लिए डिजाइन करेंगे? कॉम्प्रेसिव, सॉरी टेंसाइल के लिए. बिकॉज इफ यू डिजाइन फॉर 25 इट विल फेल इन दिस. इफ यू डिजाइन फॉर 30 इट विल नॉट फेल. सो as far as formula number 3 is consider what will be considered, what will be, which force will consider. So I'll write here for your reference. This is 30, this is also 30, this is also 30 and this is also 30. Clear? Now coming to this diameter of spigot collar, formula number 5. Crushing कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Spigot collar का crushing. Spigot collar का crushing अभी हो रहा है. मैं पुल कर रहा हूँ इसको. Crushing हो रहा है spigot collar का. When I'm applying pull force, will there be crushing of spigot collar? कहाँ पे होता है spigot collar crushing? यहाँ पर. When I am applying the pull force, will there be any crushing? No. But when I am applying compressive force, अभी ये जाके इसको crush होगा. देखो मैं खींच रहा हूँ तो ये दोनों apart, they will go apart. When I am pushing it, it will come close to one another. So this crushing is happening because of which force? It is happening because of what? 25 kilonewton. Compressive force, 25 kilonewton. Okay. This crushing is happening because of 25 kilonewton. Now, we have to take care of this thing also. What? we have to take care of this thing also, the what I am going to explain you now, that here if I consider this 25, if I consider this 25 and I am finding the value of D3, is there any other formula where D3 is involved? No, D3 is involved in only one formula. Matlab, if I design this for load of 25 kilonewton, what I am getting? I am getting the value of D3. Is there any other value that is based on value of D3? No. Then I can consider 25. Then I consider 25. क्योंकि अगर D3 पे और कोई और बेस है तो हम 25 नहीं ले सकते, तभी हमको सोचना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो आप आगे आएगा, दैट आई विल टेल यू. सो एज ऑफ नाउ when I am taking 25, what value I am getting? I am getting the value of D3. Okay, and this D3 is not coming in any other failure. It is not coming in any other formula. So I can consider 25. Clear? Now next is diameter of socket collar. Socket collar का diameter कब मिलता है? Socket collar का diameter मिलता है when actually ऐसा है, it's like this. Manufacturing problem है इसका. So when will you get diameter of socket collar? ये diameter कब मिलेगा? See, when it is pulled. When it is pushed, that time we will not get. When it is pushed, that time Cotter will, these two parts will go away from each other when it is pushed. When it is pulled, that time it will come close to each other. So what will this be? This will be 30. Now this socket and spigot number 7 कभी मिलेगा? Now this number 7 ये कभी मिलेगा? जब इसको हम खींचेंगे like this. That time there will be shear failure. So this will be what? 30. Width of Cotter, again this will be what? 30. Thickness of socket collar, again what it will be? 30. And thickness of spigot collar का thickness कब मिलेगा हमको? spigot collar इस पे से shear कभी होगा? जब खींचेंगे तभी shear होगा क्या? नहीं, जब compressive force आएगा तभी shear होगा. So what is this? This will be 25. So whenever you come across two values, only here and here we will use 25 and other the places we will use 30. Okay, so this is the analysis which you will not find in any lecture. You will not find in any video. You will not find it in any written material. किसी book में नहीं मिलेगा ये analysis. Is it clear to all of you? No. Any doubt? Yes.
Sir.
Sir,
Sir, that values of 30 and 25 kilonewton will be taken in P or sigma T or sigma C.
I did not get your question, Varun.
So that values are now of 30 kilonewton, 25 kilonewton.
Correct.
So that will be taken in P or that sigma T or sigma C.
See, this 30 and 25 is P. You can see here it is 25 kilonewton compressive force. So that is value of P.
Okay, sir.
That is value. इसके पहले जो हमने एनालिसिस किया था वो सिग्मा के लिए था ना, ये स्ट्रेस के लिए था. अभी जो एनालिसिस किया ये किसके लिए किया? ये फोर्स के लिए किया.
Okay, sir.